Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the API name on Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to go to setup. So from here, we need just to click on this icon. We go to setup and after that, we need just to find the app setup. So let's just go here and we can, for example, just go to the object manager and then you will need to choose any objects that you would like. So here you will have all these objects. Now you can click on any object, for example, address, and after that we need to go, for example, to the fields. We can go for the fields and now we can click on any field that we'd like. So if we go to the description, here we will find all these informations. So basically here there is uh, the field label, and if we go to edit, we can see that it would also have some API name. So basically everything in that has some action in your Salesforce would have an API name. The same would be, for example, for the pages of uh, Salesforce. So let's just go back. We go again to setup or objects manager. We go, for example, to any other object, and we can go, for example, for the lightning record if we had. If we click on new, we will see that we will need to add also some API name. So basically, it will be created automatically. Let's just go next, and it will be a label. And basically, by clicking on the label, it will create an API name. So here in Salesforce, we have everything would have some API name as a unique identifying, so it can find its name. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.